What if I told you that your next snack could influence an ecosystem inside your body that contains trillions of microorganisms? Not tomorrow, not after months of dieting, but with something as ordinary as what you choose to eat between meals. Because your gut isn't simply a tube that moves food through your body. It's a living ecosystem, and every bite you take changes the resources available inside it. But here's the question that makes this much more interesting. What happens when you stop looking for one magical gut-healing food and start giving your microbiome a variety of foods to work with? Because your gut bacteria aren't looking for the latest supplement. They're responding to your environment, and that environment is being shaped bite by what you eat. Here are simple snacks that can support a diverse and healthy gut ecosystem. Let's begin. Tempeh Bites, Indonesia's fermented soy tradition. This is the fermented food I mentioned at the start of this video, one that Japanese and Indonesian communities have incorporated into daily meals for generations, without ever needing to label it a health food, because it simply was food. Tempeh originated in Indonesia centuries ago, made by fermenting whole soybeans with a specific mold culture, Rhizopus oligosporus, that binds the beans into a firm, dense cake over the course of roughly a day or two of controlled fermentation. This fermentation process does something remarkable to the soybeans nutritionally. It partially breaks down phytic acid, a compound that can otherwise interfere with mineral absorption, while simultaneously increasing the bioavailability of certain nutrients and introducing beneficial microbial activity from the fermentation process itself. Research on fermented soy products has shown associations with improved markers of gut bacterial balance, and tempeh specifically retains the whole soybean, including its fiber and resistant starch content, unlike more processed soy products. Because tempeh is fermented rather than simply cooked, it also tends to be considerably easier to digest for many people compared to unfermented soy preparations. An observation traditional Indonesian food culture arrived at long before modern digestive science could explain the mechanism behind it. Slice tempeh into bite-sized pieces. Pan-fry briefly in a small amount of oil until golden on each side, and season simply with a touch of salt or tamari. Eaten warm, straight from the pan, tempeh bites are a satisfying, protein-rich snack, carrying centuries of fermentation wisdom in every piece.